Hello, first grade. Welcome back to Number Corner. It is Thursday, April 9th, 2020. We're going to get right into our number corner today. But before, I want you to say hello to my favorite type of cup. I love white cups. I love white plates. But today, I'm thinking about Thirsty Thursday. I want you to think about what is your favorite thing to drink? My favorite thing to drink is coffee. So I have a cup of coffee because it is Thirsty Thursday. So parents, take a moment and pause this video and let your child go find the best thing or their favorite thing to drink. All right, so friends, we're gonna get started right away with our number corner. I'm gonna put my coffee down and I'm going to discover our car for today. So our car for today, let's zoom in. We discovered yesterday that our car, let me zoom in really quickly, there we go. That our car yesterday was this shape here. So do you know what shape this is? Parent, ask your child, what shape is this and how do you know? If you said it was a trapezoid, you're right. It is a trapezoid. The reason why it's a trapezoid, friends, is because a trapezoid is a two-dimensional flat shape with four sides. One, two, three, four. It has four sides, exactly one pair of which are parallel. One pair to which is our parallel. So this shape is a trapezoid because it fits its attributes. And as you see, it's the picture that matches right here. It has four sides. So today, friends, we're going to discover whether or not this shape is a symmetrical or asymmetrical shape by folding it and using the line of symmetry to see. So by folding it, that means it's going to tell us whether or not the shape can be divided into equally matching parts. So I'm going to fold it this way. As you see, this part, it does not have a match. So it's not identical. So I fold it into half. I'm going to fold it. I'm going to try it a different way. If I fold it like this, did that work? No, it's still over here on this side. It's not a match. When I fold it into two halves, it doesn't match exactly. So that means this is an asymmetrical shape. This kind of trapezoid is an asymmetrical shape. So I'm going to go to our calendar, our geo board. And you see here, I already made our trapezoid. So parents, you can go to either class blog page and find the geo board where your child can make their trapezoid if they don't already have the paper. So you see here, I'm going to get a line this time. Let's see. If I were to fold it in half, it will not be symmetrical. It will not be symmetrical. The line of symmetry, when I fold it, it shows us if I fold this side and put it here, this little corner will still be out. If I was to fold it upward, it would. So I'm going to try it a different way. If I fold it in half this way, this would not match this side. So we can definitely see that this shape is an asymmetrical shape, and meaning it cannot be divided into equal parts. So we're going to go to our April calendar observations. As you see, today is April 9th. You can write that as 4-9, 4 being the fourth month of the year, January, February, March, April. That's why it's the fourth month of the year. And today's day is the 9th. So April 9th. Our shape is a trapezoid. I already have it here. And can we fold this trapezoid into two equal parts? No. Can we fold it into four equal parts? No, we couldn't fold it into equal parts at all. So it will go into the zero category. So I'm going to take my check mark. I'm going to put it right here. Based on the pattern, did you guess that it would be an asymmetrical shape, that it wouldn't be symmetrical at all? So it's not a symmetrical shape. So we put no, and we said excitedly, no, it's not a symmetrical shape. It's an asymmetrical shape because it cannot be divided into matching parts. All right, so friends, we're going to go to our days in school. You count this as 100. And you count on 100, 110, 120, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, and today makes 135. I'm going to put my check mark. So how many days do we have until we get to 140, which is the 14th decade? We have 5 more days. You can count that just like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or you know that 5 is already X'd out. That means 5 more makes 10. So that's a whole decade. So today it has been 135 days of school. So next I'm going to go to my 100 days chart, to my how many days chart in school. So yesterday, friends, this was our equation. So I'm just going to grab the eraser and erase this. This was yesterday's problem. And as I'm erasing, I want you to think about today's problem and see how we can expand that into another way. All right, put my eraser back. All right, so we had 134. 134. Today is 135. So what number do we have to change in what place value? If you said the 4, you're right. And we're going to make it the color red because it's in the ones place. It's in the ones place. Oh, sorry, wrote the wrong number. We're going to change the 4 into a 5 because today makes 135 days of school, and we're going to put it in the ones place. All right, expanded form means to stretch that number out and add them together. So when we stretch 135 out, what number are we changing? The 4. You're right. We're going to change the 4. And we stretch it out. 100 is the first number I say in here. 35. 135. And I want you to think and list all the ways you can write 135 in expanded form. All right, so friends, at home, you're going to measure. You're going to I can use sticks. So I'm going to measure today. I'm going to measure my friend. So I'm going to zoom in so we can measure our friend. So I'm going to estimate and see how tall my friend is. So I believe my friend is 2 popsicle sticks long. I'm going to use popsicle sticks. So I'm going to put 2 here. I think my friend is 2 popsicles long. Then actual length means I'm going to actually measure him precisely to see if I was correct, to see if my prediction was correct. So I'm going to start here at the tip. That means I'm measuring precisely. If I start right at the bottom and notice that they're lined up. And if I add 1 more popsicle stick, that means it'll be too many. It'll be too much. So about 1 popsicle stick long. So he's about 1 popsicle stick long. So at home, friends, you can use pennies, you can use pencils, you can use any items at home, and you can measure something in your house, whether it's your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, a family member, a stuffed animal, your door, your closet, anything that you would like to measure. Here are some things that they have that you can measure. You can also print this out, parents, and have your child measure these things at home. And you can write the estimate and also the actual length of that object your child has chosen. So friends, that's it for Number Corner today. But before we go, we're going to take a look at a sneak peek of tomorrow's Number Corner. So today is the 9th and tomorrow is the 10th. So I'm going to reveal the 10th for you. All right, there's our shape for tomorrow. I want you to tell me, what do you know about this shape or this letter? And we're going to discuss it more tomorrow. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. See you later.